Common errors, how to avoid them. Errors in use of articles. Articles. Indefinite, a, an. Definite, the. Use of an. One before words beginning with vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. Others are consonants. An apple, an egg, an owl. Two before words beginning with silent h. An hour, an honorable man, an heir, an honest man. 3 f, h, l, m, n, r, s, x are letters that are not vowels but begin with vowel sound. E.g., m has the sound of m. So, an is used before abbreviations beginning with vowels of these letters. E.g., an MLA, an RAI, an NCC officer, an FIR, an X-ray, an he school, an SP, an Lee school asterisk. Use of a. 1. I, in the sense of one. E.g., he couldn't speak a word to save himself. 2. With one begins with the sound of W. A one-man show, a 1 rupee note. 2 before words beginning with consonant sound. E.g., a boy, a box, a dog. 3 with vowel letters having consonant value. E.g., a university, a unique article, a euphemism, a unit, a European language. All these begin with consonant sound of yu. 4 with units and rate, per. E.g., he earns rupees 500 a month. Rice sells 10 rupees a kilo. Give me a meter length of the cloth. 5 in exclamatory expressions before singular countable nouns. What a pretty girl. How sunny a day. 6 when two subjects or articles are thought of as a single unit. He was ready with a cup and saucer. A cigarette is made of a paper and tobacco. 7 with certain expressions of quantity. A lot of, a dozen, a great deal of, a couple. 8 with a person's name to indicate that the person is perhaps unknown to the person addressed. A Mr. Roy is at the door. 9 with a special meal, to celebrate something or in someone's honor. I called my friends to a lunch to celebrate my success. A dinner was arranged to welcome the principal. 10 to make a common noun of a proper noun. He is a second Newton. This phrase means, a philosopher as great as Newton. A Daniel came to judgment. The phrase means, a wise man. Use of the. 1 when we speak of a particular person or thing already referred to. I dislike the table. The boy near the taps is my brother. When a singular noun represents a whole class. E.g., the mango is considered the king among fruits. The sky is used as a beast of burden. Remark, the nouns, man and woman, do not take the before them. E.g., man is the greatest of God's creations. 2 with names of gulfs, rivers, oceans, seas, and mountains, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Andaman Islands, the Brahmaputra River. 3 certain books, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Bible, the Ramayana, Mahabharata, ***. 4 musical instruments. E.g., the flute, the violin, the tabla, the sitar. 5 inventions. E.g., I hate the telephone for its constant shrill sound. 6 parts of body, the eye, the leg. E.g., he was wounded in the leg. 7 names of newspapers. Asterisk the States, the Hindus, the Times. 8 names referring to a whole class, asterisk. Asterisk the police, the navy, the air force. 9 political parties. The Congress, the Janata Party, the BJP. 10 aeroplanes, ships, trains etc. The Mahalak, aeroplane, the Vikrant, ship, the Rajdhani Express, train. 11 before names of an empire, dynasty or historical event. E.g. the Gupta dynasty, the Old Stone Age, the First World War, the American Civil War. 12 clubs, foundations, etc. The Lions Club, the Ford Foundation. 13 before common nouns denoting unique things. The sun, the sky, the earth, the world, the sea. 14 with superlatives. E.g. he is the best boy in the class. Prizes would be given for the most outstanding performances. 15 with ordinals. E.g. he took the first taxi that came his way. 2. He lives in the 10th block. 3. Our class is on the 2nd floor. 16 before the comparative degree. E.g. the more they get, the more they want. 2. He is the better of the two. 17 before an adjective when the noun is understood. E.g. the poor would favor him. 2. We must not shun the disabled.